Alright, for those who just joined us, please prepare your science skill hebat book. This one, okay. Yesterday we already done paper 1, the objective question. So today we are going to continue with the paper 2. So paper 2 for practice hebat UPSR 2 start at page 54. 54. So yesterday we already discussed some part of question number 1, 53. Okay, so you guys can try to do first. Later we discuss. Teacher will give you until 9. Okay, 30 minutes to do question paper 2. Later we discuss. After that, we can start with our games. Okay, for those who just joined us, take out your skill hebat book. Okay, if you haven't done question number 1, you can open page 53. 53, paper 2, question number 1. Then question number 2 started at page 54. Do first. Question number 1 at page 53, we already discussed some part of it yesterday. Alright, so that one is question about what? At page 53. Yesterday. Yesterday, Naufal already asked teacher. Naufal. All of you already have your book or not? If you don't have your book, check the seesaw activity that teacher give to you yesterday. That one teacher already uploaded. The pages that we have to do today. Or you guys can do one question first, we discuss, then we play games, or we continue with the book after that. If you have any problem, you can ask teacher. Show you the screen, the question that we already discussed yesterday. All of you already have your skill hebat book. Do you have your skill hebat book with you? Yes, okay.
Yes.
Yes, all right. So continue with yesterday's question, okay? Because later you will have to send to teacher the pages of your book that you already tick after this. All right, paper 1 we already tick yesterday. Paper 2 we continue today. So Christina already sent to teacher yesterday paper 1. Okay, well done, Christina. This is an example of the question that you have to send to teacher later, the pages that you have to send to teacher. Okay, the one that you already take. Okay, good job, Christina. So today, okay, Christina sent her leaderboard as well, right? So today, you will have to send all paper 1 and paper 2. If you already send paper 1 like Christina, you can only send paper 2. Okay, send paper 2. Like Wafi. Okay, thank you, Wafi, for sending your paper 1 to teacher. Okay, Wafi already done. For paper 2, question number 1. Okay. So you can, Wafi can continue with question number 2 today. Yesterday, teacher used sample student in P4 Abu Bakar. P4 Abu Bakar.
Sorry, I'm late, teacher.
It's okay. Prepare your skill hebat book. Today we are going to continue the UPSR practice in your skill hebat book. Farah, later Farah send the book that you already take. Do you have your book with you, Farah? Okay, Adam Iman already sent the work that you already take for paper 1. Good job. Thank you. Shadow on the screen. Correct. No shadow. Okay. Correct. So later you can continue to send teacher the paper 2. Adam already sent. Kalish Danish already sent. You already take. Okay. Good job. Kalish Danish as well.
Thank you.
Amal. Amal. Oh, Nur Muhammad Amal. Amal, you only send the leaderboard to teacher. Teacher didn't ask you to send the leaderboard. I asked you to send the pages inside your book that you already take, like your friend did. This one, like your friend sent to teacher. that you already take inside your book? Teacher want to see this one. Leaderboard is okay. Teacher can check on my computer. Amal, can teacher delete this one, Amal? Amal, can teacher delete this one? Let us send teacher another one. Send what? I ask you to send. Okay. Example like this. After you do the activity inside your book, after you check, then you send to teacher. Teacher want to see. Okay. So today we're going to continue with paper 2. Paper 2, we already discussed some part of it yesterday. Okay, so what is formed on the screen when we turn the torchlight? Anyone can answer, teacher? What will be formed on the screen? Do we have volunteer to answer first?
Shadow will be formed at the screen.
Shadow. Okay, shadow will be formed
Shadow will be formed.
on the
So my
screen.
answer is the
Uh-huh.
shadow of opaque object.
And the shadow of the opaque object will be formed.
No, I just put the shadow of opaque object.
Okay, can. Shadow will be formed on the screen or shadow of the opaque object, which you will accept as well. Okay. Because why? This one, they already stated that this one is opaque object. So, opaque object, the light can pass through or not? Opaque object.
No.
No. So, the light from this torchlight cannot pass through. That's why the shadow of the opaque object will be formed. Where? On the screen. Okay, so if you have the same answer like teacher, you can take your book like this. Right, so predict the observation made by the group of pupils if the opaque object is moved to position mark X. This one. Okay, we move this box to here. So what happened? What is the observation? What can be observed? What can be observed on the screen if we move the opaque object?
There is no shadow of the opaque object.
There is no shadow of the opaque object. Okay, so your answer if is same answer like teacher but different wording. Okay, you write
Teacher
it.
saya, teacher
Huh.
saya punya answer,
Uh-huh.
example saya punya answer, shadow
Uh-huh.
will not be formed je.
Okay, can accepted as long as ada word no shadow will be formed, teacher will accept. Okay. So if you answer no shadow will be formed, no shadow, teacher will accept.
Teacher, is it okay if I didn't put formed on the screen?
It's okay as long as you answer no shadow. As long as you have the word no shadow, okay, teacher will accept your answer.
Okay.
Okay. This one is the keyword. So if you have this keyword, no shadow, there is no shadow, teacher will accept. Okay, is there anyone have answer different than this? Yes?
How about
How about?
the shadow will be disappear?
Shadow will be disappear. Okay lah, can. Disappear, can. Okay, so this one question number 1. So this experiment they want to test about shadow will be formed or not. Okay, that's why in science question you have to read the question properly. Okay, all of you done question number 1? Who not done yet question number 1? All of you already done? Done. Okay, so we move to next one. Okay, so just now we said no shadow will be formed. Okay, for B. So for C, explain your answer in question number 1B. So the question asks you to explain why you said that no shadow will be formed. Why?
Teacher, the torchlight got blocked by opaque object.
The torchlight can block by
Opaque object.
opaque object. Can block. Can block.
Teacher, my answer is
Okay lah, Faris. Okay.
the light can no longer be blocked by the opaque object.
Can Faris and Zafif answer accepted? Anyone want to share? As long as your answer have the word the light is not blocked anymore, or the light is no longer blocked by opaque object. Faris said just now the light can be blocked. Okay lah, teacher will accept. As long as it give the meaning that the light is not blocked anymore. The light is not blocked anymore by opaque
Teacher,
object. Yes.
no.
Now, teacher can hear you, but I don't understand what you are trying to tell teacher. Jaden. Jaden. Jaden still have a book, Jaden, paper 2 today.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, Jaden. Still have a book. Waalaikumsalam. Still have a book, Jaden.
Okay.
Okay, is there anyone want to share the answer with teacher? For C, if you have different answer from what your friend already shared, you can share with teacher for me to check your answer. Okay, D. D property of light. Very easy. Property of light. Allah.
Light travel in straight line. Yeah, light travel in straight line.
Correct. Correct. Light travel in straight line. Correct.
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Waalaikumsalam. Those who just joined us, please prepare your skill hebat book. Now we are doing paper 2. Okay, we continue from what we have done yesterday. Now we are discussing page 54. 54, question number 1, C. And also D, we already discussed. So if you have similar answer with your friend, you can take your book. If you have different answer, you can share with teacher your answer.
Teacher, my answer is like this. The light can show on the screen because there is no opaque object to block the light.
The light can show on the screen?
Yes.
Yes, the light can show on the screen. The light can show on the screen. Your answer, because the light is no longer blocked by opaque object, is correct. But rather than writing the light is shown on the screen, it's better if no shadow will be formed, because now we want to see about the shadow is formed or not. Okay. This one 2 marks. So if 2 marks, you have to write 2 marks. That's why teacher. The light is no longer blocked by opaque object. Yes.
Nothing. Saya tertekan.
Okay. If my answer just now, teacher will only get 1 mark. If you answer in full sentence like this, then only you will get 2 marks. 2 marks here. Okay. So number 1 all done. A, B, C, and D. Number 1, all of you already done?
Done.
Done. Okay. Question number 2. Right. So question number 2, who have read yesterday? Question number 2. Kalish, read question number 2, Kalish. This one. A fish.
Yes.
Question number 2. A fish.
A fish that swims in the pond appears to be swimming close to the water surface.
Hmm. Okay, so you can see the fish in a pond, right? So the observer is here.
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Waalaikumsalam,
So
Adib.
the light can be reflected.
Correct. The light can be reflected. So the fish is actually swimming deeper.
Teacher,
But,
are we discussing?
huh?
Are we discussing for the number 2?
Yeah, we are doing the question together so that your friend who couldn't answer the concept can do the activity as well. But if you guys already know how to do, you can do first. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this one is the actual depth of the fish, but when we observe the fish, you can see that it's closer to the surface of water. Okay. So when we observe, we can see that the fish is closer to the surface of water, but the actual depth of the fish is here. So what phenomenon is that? Just now Faris already answered.
Refraction.
Yes,
Refraction of what?
refraction of light. So this one, the question give you fish. Okay, but the one that we have learned before, we have fish, we have learned about the coins, right? Do you remember the coin in water?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So
Yes.
they will give you many other question, okay, because they can change the question, but the concept is still similar, right? If the object appear closer than its actual depth, okay, that is the phenomena of refraction of light. So it doesn't matter how they twist the question. If you understand the concept, you can answer them, inshallah. If you want to copy my, but do you have space to copy the drawing in your book? Oh no, you don't have.
Teacher, I already do all
You already do what?
for number 2.
Number two, you already done all?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So while we are discussing, for those who already done, you can tick your answer as well, okay?
Number 2 is the light move from one medium to another.
Correct? Yes?
No, teacher.
No. Okay, so number two question, two question, 2 marks. So 2 marks, remember like this, okay? You have to explain in full sentence. All right. So 2 marks. We have question of 2 marks. Explain the above phenomenon based on the property of light that you state in question 2A. Okay. Yes? Who turn on the microphone? Yes? Okay, just now Naufal said refraction of light happen when it travel from one medium to another. Now, how you want to apply this concept, how you want to apply that light will be refracted when it move from one medium to another in this question. In terms of the fish appear closer to the observer eyes compared to its actual depth. How do we include the concept? Ah, how do we include the concept? We need to relate. We need to relate. Why fish looks closer to the surface of the pond? Okay, in terms of refraction of light. So now, light from the fish or light from the observer eyes will be refracted, everyone.
Observer eyes.
Huh? Observer eyes. Where is the image from? Image from observer eyes or from the fish? Image. From the fish. Light from light reflected. Light from the fish will travel through air first or water first?
Air first.
Air first. Fish in water or in the air?
Water.
Water. So light travel from water first or air first? Hmm. Fish. Where do fish live? In water or in the air? Ya Allah
Water.
ya Rabbi.
Water, not in the air.
Water.
Water, not in the air.
Fish live in water. So we have two medium here. One water inside the pond. The other one? What is
Air.
the other medium? Air. So air is around the observer. Okay, at the observer here outside the pond. So we have two medium. Okay, water and also air. So in order for this observer to see the image of the fish, okay, the light need to travel from the fish. Light travel from here. Light travel from the fish. Number one. Light travel here. Number one. Then it will be light from here. It will be refracted. It will go through water first, then air. Water number one, air number two. So light from the fish in the water will be refracted when it travel from where? From where to where?
One medium to another.
One medium to another. Sikit lah what medium. From what?
Travel from the water to the air.
Yes, travel from water to the air. You already know the concept. You already know, refraction of light happen when light travel from one medium to another. Now, the question asks you, okay, so how is related with this question? Okay, so the medium, you cannot say the medium. You need to state what medium are they. Okay, water to the air. Okay, travel from water to the air. Light from the fish in the water will be refracted when it travel from water. From water to the air. Then after light refracted, what can we observe? What can we observe? Ni, they already give you. What can we observe? After the light refracted, what can you observe? This one, the answer they already give you inside the box. Just copy. Just rewrite. Light from the fish in water will be refracted when it travel from water to the air, and the fish appear what? The fish appears what? Allah, you just need to read from here. Appears to be
Closer.
Swimming closer to what?
To the water surface.
Yes, correct. You just need to use what they already give you. So now you already got 2 marks. You need to apply the concept with the question. Okay, so this is how you can get 2 marks. If you answer, light will be refracted when it travel from one medium to another, teacher can give you 1 mark only.
Teacher,
Yes.
the refraction of light when it travels from the water to the air. When I get 2 marks?
1.
Okay.
Because you didn't write what is the observation that we can observe after light is refracted.
Okay.
Okay, we still need to mention that the fish will appear swimming closer or close to the water surface of the pond. Okay, so that is how you can get 2 marks. Okay, state 2 other example of phenomenon caused by the same property of light. What is the property of light again? What is the property of light again?
Refraction.
Refraction of light. Can you give teacher another 2 example phenomena that happen because of property of light?
Placing pencil at water.
Pencil, pencil,
Placing pencil at water.
placing, placing. So if you place a pencil inside a water, what can you observe?
We can observe the pencil look
Teacher,
bent.
Yeah,
number
that is
one,
what
my
you need to write. Yes.
state 2 are the examples of phenomena caused by the same property of the stated into A. Number 1, pencil in glass of water looks like it's bent.
Okay, correct.
Number 2, coin looks raised when the bowl is poured water.
Okay, can
Okay.
accepted. Pencil in water looks bent. Naufal, your answer just now already correct. But you need to write the observation, not the step that you do. Placing a pencil inside the water, okay, placing the pencil inside the water is the step. What did you do? But the question asks you phenomena that happen. What can you observe? Pencil in the water looks bent. That is the answer. Okay, Naufal?
Okay.
Okay, all right. This one number 1. One more phenomenon. Okay, Zafif mentioned about the coin just now. Okay. The coin look raised or the coin appear closer to the surface of water. Both is accepted. Pencil in the water looks bent. Straw in the water looks bent. Spoon in the water looks bent. Chopstick in the water looks bent. Okay, anything that related. Is there anyone want to share your answer? Anyone want to share your answer to teacher? Closer or raise you can use. Are you guys okay? Okay or not? Can you do it?
No, I'm sleepy. That's
Sleepy. Sleepy after question 2 we play games lah. After C, okay, you guys take C then we play game for a while. Later we continue with another one, okay? Okay, so this one you can get 2 marks. As long as you give the answer 2, you can get the marks. If you answer 1, you can only get 1 marks only. Okay. Done? Number 2 done? A, B, and C?
not yet, Cik.
Not yet. Okay.
Not yet, Cik.
Yeah. Do first. Do first. Before we play game, anyone want to go to toilet or drink water? Anyone want to go to toilet?
I don't want.
I want to answer the 3 number A. I want to answer.
3A, okay?
The answer is knocking.
Knocking?
Yes.
Correct. Knocking. Knocking, correct. What is another instrument that we can produce sound by knocking aside from this one?
Plucking.
Instrument sayang. Alat music, instrument that we can produce sound.
Claps.
Yes.
Knocking.
Knocking. Do you remember that teacher show you the brass band video?
Drum.
Drum, correct. Good job.
Drumming.
Huh?
Drumming.
Can you spell?
Drumming.
Spell?
T-R-M-M.
D?
D-D.
Drum, drum.
Drumming.
Wait. Teacher open the chat box. Teacher already open, right? The chat box. Can you type in the chat box for a while?
Yeah, I didn't finish yet.
Degree.
Type in the chat box. Type in the chat box. Later teacher check. Not done yet. Yeah. Drum. K-drum. Cymbal. Produced by knocking.
Degree already typed in the chat box.
Already type. Okay. Some of your friends haven't done yet. Teacher check later. Cymbal. Symbol, we have two. Then you put your hand around here, another two. Allah. It's like they have a black rope like this. You have to put your hand inside. Then another one. Okay. Another one. You need to bring them together to produce sound. Bring them together. Then it will produce sound symbol. Yes.
Teacher, is my answer correct for number 3? Question number B. Knocking on the drum causes vibration which process sound.
Process.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Produce.
Okay.
Correct. Your answer is correct, but change process to produce, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good job. Knocking on the drum. Knocking on the drum causes what? Causes what? Why?
Produce sound.
Before produce sound, sayang. Sound produced from what?
Vibration.
Vibration. Causes vibration. Remember, sound produced by vibration. So, when we knock the surface of the drum, okay, it will cause vibration. It will cause vibration. That's why sound is produced, because we know sound produced from vibration. Okay. Vibration that produce sound. Okay, so if you answer like this, you will get 2 marks already. Okay, we do until B. We play game first. Later we continue the next question.
Jap, chill. Tak boleh. Chill.
So, next question. Next question for later. Next question.
Yeah, we do until B. We do until B. We play games. Then later we continue again.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this one you tick if you got your answer correct. Those who didn't share your answer with teacher, I hope you guys are doing okay, right? If you have any problem, just tell teacher. I'm here to help you. So if you have any question, ask teacher so that teacher can help you. Or share your answer with teacher. If you didn't share with teacher, I will assume that you have the same answer like me, okay? But if you have different word, it's okay lah, that one. As long as the meaning is still there. Okay, faster. We start with game. Later we continue the next one,
That's almost finished.
Yeah, do first.
Tower defense.
Sound produced by
Factoring.
Okay, this one you have to remember. So, that's why before this, I'm teaching you the concept. You already know sound produced by vibration, but sometimes you didn't know how to transfer your knowledge into answer. Like this one, refraction of light. You already know light is refracted when it's travel from one medium to another, right? Different medium. But sometimes you don't know how to transfer them into your answer. How do I relate this with this question? That's why I'm doing this one with you. Okay, I'm doing the question so that at least you know how to relate the knowledge that you have, okay, the concept that you have with you with the question that they ask you. Okay, that's why when you are learning something, sometimes you know that, oh, I already know this one, I already master this one, but you need to try the questions. Because when we answer question, we will know where we need to improve. Okay, what we need to practice some more. Okay, done. Number 3, AB. No,
Dah.
not done.
3B, I answer like
Uh-huh.
the vibration of the instrument when it's knocked.
Can?
Okay.
Okay, accepted. All right. So wait, teacher take attendance for a while. For those who just joined.
Teacher, did you
Nuzul.
already take my
Done,
attendance?
sir. Done, sir.
Zafif, I think not yet. Wait,
Okay.
Zafif, Nuzul, Adib, Rania, Ayuni, Safia. Okay. Wait, teacher continue attendance for a while. Zikri Diha not here. Darwish Wilda not here. Ame Aizat is here not Ame? Nazrin is here right just now, Nazrin? Nazrin? Zafif here. Zara Sofia? Ania, Adib. Ryan here or not, Ryan? Ryan Ramli?
Teacher,
Nazrin?
are we gonna play Blue Kid today?
Yes, yes. Khalif is here. Khalif Azim. Allah. Khalif Azim is here or not?
It's Christina's birthday.
Huh?
It is Christina's birthday.
Today, Christina?
Yes. 1st October is always her birthday.
Today, 1st October. Okay.
Cool.
Teacher,
Alright.
Akin Naufal is keep clearing the chat box, so it's really hard for us to say happy birthday to Christina.
Amsha Khalif is here or not today?
Akil Naufal said clearing the chat box is fine. For us, it's not.
Okay, so today is Christina's birthday. Christina, today is your birthday. Amshada. Okay. Christina, today is your birthday?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So before we play games, alright, we're going to sing a birthday song to Christina. Everyone ready? Then on your...
Can
Yes,
you,
sir.
What is it?
teacher, can you let Christina?
Who is it? Who is it? Whose birthday?
Christina's birthday.
Khalif is Christina's birthday. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Christina.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Yay. Happy birthday, Christina.
Clap your hands
Happy birthday,
really loud.
Christina.
Okay, Christina in the chat box. Okay, yes.
Happy
Can Christina choose the game mode at Blue Kid?
Okay.
The game on blue card, can? Okay, since she's the birthday girl today.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Christina, what do you want to play? What game?
So Christina can choose the game mode today. Wait, I have to open.
Okay.
Which one's your favorite?
Alright, so today we are going to play about energy, okay? Okay, Christina, choose one.
Why?
Can we try Gold Quest? Never try Gold Quest.
Oh,
Okay, Gold
this
Quest.
one.
Let's go Gold
Okay.
Quest.
Oh, good.
Sure.
Okay, ready?
Pro. And will steal your money.
Okay.
Hey, teacher.
Okay, teacher will paste the game
Can you
ID.
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you
Give us the
clearly.
link.
Wait, teacher send the link.
I
Okay.
will steal
Just want
all
to
your
testing
your
my-
money.
your
Okay, where's the
microphone.
ID?
Oh, wait.
Where's
The link you guys can see or not in the chat box? Oh,
Yes. Yes.
oh wait. Yes.
But you have to give it a fuck.
Teacher dia punya kod apa?
Oh, code. Okay. Teacher close the chat box,
Close the screen now.
Okay.
Wait. Teacher close the chat box for a while. Okay, game
Can
ID.
you give us the code?
Yeah.
Teacher boleh tak letak kod dekat dalam chat box so kita orang boleh copy.
647484.
Teacher, the code. 644, right? No.
Done.
I need, okay. 6474646.
Okay, now we have 5 players. 7 already.
484.
You want to join as well? Wait.
Teacher, don't pick my.
I'm in.
Don't pick my narwhal. That's my narwhal.
Please.
Do not pick the mouse.
I love narwhal. Narwhal is the epic. Don't pick my
Yes,
old
they're
one.
like well,
What?
but in but porn.
Wait, someone pick my narwhal.
I don't want the rabbit.
Ryan pick my narwhal.
Nobody.
No.
So okay lah.
Teacher, can you find me?
You got
Here teacher will scroll down.
I'm gonna buy another
Teacher,
one.
can you find me?
Wait, teacher check.
Look at game.
Haziq not here yet. Haziq.
Hey,
Hatter.
hey.
Oh here
Wait.
Haziq.
I'm gonna count my spikes. Who's the winner?
Where is it just now?
Okay, so I don't want to use epic my hatter again.
Oh, Nazrin is here. Nazrin.
I'm gonna use
Mecca is here. Okay.
a little bot. Okay, a little bot. But I don't like.
Teacher, have you noticed that who's happy big teacher?
Yes.
Are you taking attendance?
Yeah, because just now Mecca and Nazrin didn't answer when teacher call your name, so I need to continue.
Happy big girl is me.
Happy. Did you include your name as well?
Forgot.
Next time you should continue.
There is 2 out.
Include your name as well, okay? Nuzul here. Ryan not here, right? Ryan Ramli not here. Why we have 2 out? Now we have
Remove satu out.
Can remove ke? Teacher can remove ke?
Teacher boleh.
Oh wait, teacher try.
No, just delete them both. Just delete them both.
How can teacher remove?
Delete them both.
wow, they're already
Then
Rejoin with one only. One only.
Ya teacher, saya ada satu lah. Ada orang guna nama saya.
Ya ke?
Ya, saya punya yang gambar robot tu yang sebenarnya saya.
Now are you still in the game, Auf?
Yes, I left.
Okay, rejoin. It's okay, rejoin. Rejoin je. We play game for you to have fun. It's okay. Jangan stress. Khalif not here, Khalif. Khalif not here. Ryan not here. Zara Sofia here. Amir Aizat here or not today? No right, Amir? I don't think I hear Amir today. Amir Aizat. Amir Aizat not here, eh? Idina Sofia. Umar Nasif. Umar Nasif ya nak Umar Nasif? Umar Nasif.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Umar, have you joined the game?
No.
No, why? Why, Umar? Do you have any problem to join? Click the game link that teacher paste in the chat box, Umar.
Okay.
Okay, click the link that teacher paste in the chat box.
And also
the code at the chat box as well.
Yeah, the code teacher already paste in the chat box as well. So you can click join first, join first. Let's play the game together with your friend. This one.
Siapa guna nama saya?
Make sure you use your real name, everyone. If teacher don't know,
Nama saya Amma Bewar.
if teacher don't know, Allah still know. Don't use your friend names like that. Okay, I let you play games so that you can have fun. So don't do weird thing. Don't use someone else's name, picture. Don't do it. Teacher don't want to get mad. I want to talk to you nicely only. So please understand the instruction and don't do anything that sometimes you know you're not supposed to do that, but sometimes you still do it. Teacher don't want to get mad and all. I don't want to ruin the mood. Okay, since we all are human, we don't like to get mad. We don't like someone mad at us. So don't do it. Okay? Okay, so now we have 33 students. Is there anyone who have problem to join? We have 39, but in the game we have 33. So all of you already joined?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so teacher will let you play 2 mode of a game now. Okay, 2 mode. Christina already choose one. Later teacher will choose another one. Okay, so you guys ready? Now we have 34 players. All of you already joined?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's start now. Wow, the music.
Teacher, can you speak?
No, I don't want. I want to see.
Teacher.
Teacher don't want to see.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
I see you're good.
All right, ready.
Hey. Wait, what?
Okay, start the answer.
10 goal. Okay.
Double goal.
Hey. Oh, 100 goal. Yeah, baby.
Somebody stole some gold from me.
I don't know. You need to steal a goal.
Okay, choose.
Wait, what? 30 that's just okay. I got 105. Why? Why I got 10? What's that? Okay.
Teacher,
No, wait, I
one,
got 30.
two,
Wait, I got 30. Non-renewable energy is the source of very limited. Yeah. Double goal, baby.
Teacher is here.
Bye-bye, my boy.
Afiq, why you took my goal?
Bye-bye, my boy. Wait, what is that? Okay, this is easy. Yes! Where's Teacher Diha? I need to see Teacher Diha. Where is Teacher Diha's name? Where is he?
I'm
Oh
here.
no! I don't have any times to do. Yes, boy. 30.
Double.
Christina.
I've been like that.
Your energy is the
Hey,
same.
baby. Go. This is time. Oh, no, this is.
I'm gonna take the
Go, double go, baby. I'm so epic. So epic, baby. I'm so epic, baby. Oh yeah, my boy. Bye bye. Amsha Ultra. Amshar. Bye bye. No, give me swag. No way, swag is there. It's always changing.
Oh,
double gold.
Asif.
Chemical. What? Boy. Yeah, boy.
Okay, nobody can steal my gold.
Okay, double go. Oh, good. Okay. Now I need to steal stuff. Let's go. Hold on. This is easy. This is easy. This is such easy.
Hey, who took gold? I told you no. Don't take it. It's
Okay.
illegal.
Come Safia, you can swap with someone. You can take. What? Why? Why? You took mine.
What is me losing my
Kalish,
goal?
I take your goal, Kalish.
Hari Simon can start answering question. Start answering question.
Good. I'm gonna be
Hari
so
Simon, are you okay?
majesticness, originality.
Hari Simon,
Yeah.
are you okay? Hari Simon?
Yes. Yes.
Triple gold.
No.
I got triple gold.
Yes. Yeah.
Don't take any mine.
Hari Simon, start now.
Yes. Come on. Yes. Swap.
I'm gonna take the most evil one. I'm not taking.
I'm not the
any
most evil, Safia. I'm not the evil thing. I'm not evil.
I know. I don't want to.
Why? Why?
I don't want to take Kalish's
Why? Because
you didn't steal mine.
thank you, Safia. Bro, man.
Stop stealing Kalish's.
Stop, man.
I'm taking Irina's.
Yes. Okay, double goal. Okay, I got 20 million now. 20 million now. I'm gonna defend my one. I'm gonna defend. Please rap.
Bayau.
No! No way, this is very hard.
You didn't.
Nothing. Go,
100 gold.
Please, what? No, pixel dust.
Oh my god, I had to lose?
I got plenty of it, but that's not
Assalamualaikum,
Yes,
teacher.
I get to swap.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, don't take mine.
I swapped with someone.
Sorry, someone.
I
Wow.
swapped with the most.
Oh my gosh. That's very fair. That's unfair. Fair, Safia. Why are you so evil to swap?
Oh, I just swapped with someone
How
else.
you find that
Oh,
thing?
I didn't swap with someone.
Someone's gold.
I have 700,000. I
I have a lot.
You have a lot? I'm gonna swap with you.
No,
just kidding.
don't.
Just kidding. What's it? Hey, nice.
I'm not gonna take Kalish's.
I thank you. I don't mind it. Bye-bye. Woohoo. Wait, what the? Okay.
Why not taking yours?
Okay. Baby.
No, okay.
Yeah, boy. I'm in the lead now. What? Why? Someone take mine.
I took someone else.
Ada Piman, you take mine. I'm gonna take yours. Sorry, man. Sorry, man. Please. No.
Teacher keep losing the goal.
Okay, where's it?
Same.
I need to find D first. Where's D? Okay, there you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sir. You're gonna lose your goal, baby.
Can't finish. How
Bye-bye.
dare you?
Wow, I got a lot of fun.
I stole your goal, baby. I think it's been my
Kalish.
Hey, no!
Yeah,
Kalish, don't do
I'm
this
in
to
the lead.
teacher.
I'm in the lead, baby. I'm in the lead.
Everyone kept stealing my gold.
Okay, so
48. Oh my God.
Teachers, I the lead.
Kalish.
Teacher,
My
let's play
journey.
another game.
So we
took everyone's
have Amsha, we have
This is the
Amma and
second
Raj.
time I lead.
And I can.
Come on, baby.
Okay, so well done everyone who joined the game today. Okay, we changed the game mode.
Okay.
billion.
Play again, but this time
Safia, I'm
teacher
not
pick,
your
right?
goal.
I have 18 billion gold.
Moon.
Good job everyone. Okay, before we continue.
Can you play Tower Defense?
Okay, wait.
No, I was
Yes, tower defense, please. Tower defense,
Microphone off.
please.
5, 4, 3.
Don't know how to play Tower Defense.
2, 1. Okay. So before teacher continue with the next game, okay? In the question just now, there's a picture of a man holding a slingshot. Can you remember?
Potential
Yes,
energy.
the potential energy. Potential energy.
Potential energy. Good job. How about the
Teacher,
spring is
I gonna
compressed?
the game idea is.
What? I don't hear.
Spring compressed. What energy is that spring?
I forget actually.
Same like slingshot.
Potential.
Same energy.
Potential energy.
Potential energy. Potential. Okay, all right. So good. So now I satisfied with the answer. So I will continue with the game. Teacher want to try this one.
Jadi saya teacher dia boleh hack
Oh,
orang.
nak buat.
Oh yeah.
I want to try crypto.
I already know you.
Crypto hack 10 minutes.
Sama.
Okay.
Sama.
Okay, what is
Okay, link then.
10 minutes.
Kita
Okay.
can still ada Facebook, but
26 7 1 1 7. Okay, Koyim already in. Nuzul, Ayuni, Akil. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, teacher
Guys,
already
you can take my epic matter. We'll get the first epic matter. I'll give you 10 tokens to get first that my epic. Oh yeah, someone get it. Teacher, I'm gonna steal your crypto again like a gold quest. I'm steal your
Teacher was
gold.
playing
Don't
that
do
game
that,
earlier.
teacher.
Teacher was playing that game earlier.
I don't believe I'm good at this. I don't believe. I just
Yes.
getting a password and then
right.
quit the game.
Wait. Let me give you one tip.
Oh no.
If there's one password that
This is very
there's one password that keeps appearing, then click that one that is actually the person's password.
Oh, really?
Yes, if one password is in others, like let's say dynamite
Okay.
password, and then you pick the wrong one, then you go to the next one and dynamite is still there, pick that one because it's actually the
Oh, okay.
Teacher Diha.
Yes.
I'm gonna steal your crypto like that man.
No, don't do that.
10% of it.
Teacher, can you
No one pick my epic.
Pro. Yes.
I'm sorry, but I tripped.
Oh my gosh.
Tripping what I do.
Benji. Who is that?
Teacher,
Yeah.
can you guess
What?
Okay. All of you already in or not? All of you already in?
Yes. I'm done.
All in?
Yes, I already.
Is there anyone who have any problem? Tell teacher before teacher start. All of you. Okay.
No, I want. Don't have any
Alright,
problem.
guys need to get their password. Let's go, baby.
Choose a password.
Guys, this is it. I'm gonna be serious. I'm gonna stole the
Answer
crypto.
questions in my
By the
crypto.
correct one. I'm gonna steal your
I would rather go. I want to go to Dogecoin.
I want to listen to top 5, top 10s, and anything like that.
Most crypto after
Most crypto after 7 minutes wins. Thank you, man. Good luck.
Good luck.
Okay, I'm gonna mute.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
loading. Wait, I'm gonna turn on my mic.
Okay.
Of course, nuclear energy. Okay, now I'm opening it, but nobody's guessing mine.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
I have Faris. Please, this is correct. This is correct. No, what's the password? Okay. I'm gonna be
Energy.
nothing.
Teacher, because I know scientists.
That's a serious one, man.
Someone, yes,
I was seriously. I'm a seriously, my bro. Please give me Diha. Are you not wrong?
Alice.
Yes. Go ahead.
First,
What?
I just had to.
No, what? No, I knew it. I knew it. You gotta hack me.
I didn't want a hacker.
For some reason, I can't play the game.
Hari Simon.
Roblox.
Come on!
Why is it? This is fun. Isn't that? Teacher, I'm gonna get your crypto.
Hari Simon.
You got.
I don't want to
I'm
hack
gonna hack you because yes, I hack him,
anymore.
baby. Oh. Please, yeah. No, really not. Oh no, this is very hard. This is very hard.
Oh my god, I'm gonna hack.
Teacher, I can't play the
No?
game.
Okay, this is okay.
Uma Nasif. What is your password?
Oh,
Yeah. Umarasi.
I have stolen a lot of
A very
crypto
long
from my
one.
uni.
Oh no way. I've got no teachers one. I need teacher Diha. He stole my crypto. How you know my password? How you know my password? Why? How you know my password?
I don't know. I just
Oh wait, I hacked you. Oh my god. He got so many. 175.
Okay.
That's easy.
Hari Simon again.
How is I, man?
Go over.
Bomb goes Meteor 53. Oh, yes! Baby! 488! Baby!
Come on!
I just need a hack. I just need a bucket of info. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm gonna hack someone.
Yes!
Help me.
Come on, baby! I stole it
What is your
again.
password, sir?
And this time is 1,000.
I won't tell you.
Oh my god, incorrect. Seriously.
I don't want to give my password. Okay.
I don't want to give my password too.
Wait.
Teacher, I
hate
told you.
somebody.
Sir.
Please. This
Zafif teacher have to rearrange. How
No,
do I do
what?
this?
Wait, what? Wait, what? I don't know.
This one, this one.
What is
Oh my
it?
god, I keep getting nothing.
Zafif,
No,
hello.
if you hack mine, I'm gonna hack your software. I'm gonna get your crypto. If you hack
No,
mine.
thank you, please.
Please.
Hey.
Okay,
Yes.
come on.
Wait, I get nothing.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I love that words. Please guess the
Thousand
password.
Please.
bucks. I'm going
Oh,
I've got so many bucks.
Oh my god, I
I've got
keep
so
getting
many
incorrect.
bucks, baby. I've got so many correct,
Full
baby.
energy. You have to
I'm
guess
gonna be
mine
like
first.
epic now. I'm gonna be like epic now. I'm gonna be
I'm
like
not gonna
epic.
tell
Oh
you.
yes. Oh yes, hey, please, teacher Diha. No way.
You hack.
Okay, I'm gonna pick teacher Diha this time because
You can't pick.
I think I'm gonna be
You can't pick.
hacking. No, it's the FBI. It's the FBI that won.
Who do I hack?
You're gonna be so happy.
And I don't want to get hacked. Bruh. Stop getting.
You have 2 more minutes.
Stop, yeah, get ready. Get ready.
Yes, I'm hacking
want to
someone.
hack you. Just kidding.
Password.
Oh wait, I got 200, baby. I got 200.
Oh my god, I keep getting
I
incorrect.
got so many. My bro. Yeah.
I'm here.
I almost got $1 million.
Killer. Hack. Oh my god, I picked hack accident.
Okay,
Okay, let's see.
I'm not gonna tell you
Alpha hacking me.
even though you are knowing.
Nah.
Knowing yourself.
Please don't hack
Let's
me.
go.
Please don't hack me. I am
my
a
days.
gentleman.
Look at us.
Ada Ryan.
Oh my god, I'm hacking.
Oh, I hack him and then I'm just get wrong. Wait, this is the house. Oh, you hack on me. Okay. Rabbit with the stop.
One of the options is mine.
Come on, baby. I'm gonna get your jihad. Get your revenge.
They stole my money.
Bro, hacking bro, man. Leave me alone. Yes, I'm hit him. I hit him.
Yalah.
2,000.
What?
2,000. Baby. Baby. My boy. You're gonna be so kidding me. I never seen anyone.
Amin.
I'm hacking you.
Okay. Aman.
Amin.
I hack Amal Bedmore. I take Minecraft dash kit please. What?
Sound energy.
What? No way. This is gonna
Yes!
be serious.
Here.
I'm gonna be serious. I'm gonna know
90 seconds left. 90 seconds, 90
No.
seconds. Christina.
Smash the pet. Who's that? Okay, okay.
Is this meow? Your password is meow?
Hack all of your account. Hack all of your account.
Sorry, birthday girl.
Who's it?
Limited.
But I have to smash the pet, you know.
Oh, done.
Bruh.
More than 1 million. More than 1 million.
Okay.
Hey, I
so-
got 6
I'm
plays.
gonna stall Nuzu. I'm not gonna
No,
stall.
I got
I'm not gonna stall. I'm gonna stall him. I'm not gonna stall him. But
0.4 million.
I got
0.4 million.
I got
Hey!
0.7 million. Let's go.
Wow, well done, everyone.
I have Uni and Casino.
I got number 6.
And thank goodness
I got
nobody.
I got the
Teacher, I
devil's
got
number.
the
Let's go, guys.
Ah, yes. Wafi number
got-
Guys, I got
Can we
devil's
play?
number, please.
Teacher, can we play Crypto Hack again?
Okay, so well done,
Teacher, can we play
everyone.
Crypto Hack again?
Play tower defense.
Again?
Huh?
Crypto Hack again, teacher?
Tower defense.
No, we already played
I don't
2
know how to-
games, so now
I
time to
I
continue.
want to play again.
First place.
Okay, so everyone,
Next week can actually.
teacher one, next week can. Teacher, yes.
Teacher,
Yes.
because I already know the energy.
You already know the energy. Yes. Today we
Yeah.
do revision about topic energy.
I got
Yeah. So
100%
teacher want all of you to give a big clap to your own self.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, well done.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I thought that game. After that game, I'm gonna hack your password. I'm gonna hack yours to install
Okay. This one. Listen to teacher. Listen to teacher. This one, the hacker and all, you can play in games only. In real life, can you do it?
No. It's illegal. It's
No.
illegal.
So that's why, yeah, it's illegal. So just in games, of course, we can play it because we want to have
Also-
fun to release our stress, right? So in real life, don't do it. Okay. Okay. So
So did anyone follow my
yeah,
advice?
teacher follow it. Then I managed to.
Teacher, do you hack? Teacher, do you hack?
Huh? I don't know. I forgot. Just now I remember when I want to guess Zafi's password. Teacher have to arrange the shape first.
But
Oh
just now when
yeah,
I
that
just
got
check
hacked.
how many minutes left, I just saw you hacking.
Yeah,
I just saw. I didn't get a play edit.
Okay. All right.
So
So everyone, okay, enough with the game. We will continue with our book. Okay. Well done for those who just joined the game. Good job, teacher. Hope you had fun. Did you have fun? You have fun or not? Yes. Okay. So we continue with our book now. Can we do that? Okay. Yes. We continue paper 2. Okay. All right. So paper 2. Just now we already done question. This one. Okay. Number 3, we already discussed A and B. So last few question. Okay. Before we end science class, we finish up these 2 question. Okay. Now C. C. Can teacher have Christina to read C, Christina? See here. If
If the pupil changed the musical instrument to a recorder, what is the way for the recorder to produce sound?
Okay, so what is the way?
I don't know. I don't understand recording. I don't understand.
Recorder by
Recording.
blowing. Blowing. Recorder make sounds when we blow it. Okay, you don't know what is recorder? Teacher show you,
No, I don't know.
Recorder. Musical instrument. Recorder this one. Recorder this one, sayang. This one. For those,
No, I have that.
yeah, for those who didn't know or you forgot how recorder looks like, this one is recorder. Okay, so how you can produce sound using recorder? How? By
Blowing.
blowing. Yeah, so we need to blow the recorder in order for it to produce sound by blowing. Okay, so state the property of sound that enables the sound of the instrument to be heard outside the music room. Okay, when we walking outside the music room, why we can still hear the sound?
Sound
Why?
can travel in all directions.
Sound can travel?
All directions.
Correct. Good job. Sound can travel. If you don't want to answer, teacher, please turn off the microphone. You can sing or hum. If you want to do the humming, you can do it, but turn off your microphone. Safia, microphone, Safia.
Okay.
Microphone. Sound can travel in all direction. This is the same goes to the concept why you can hear the school bell, okay? Even though you are not near or you're not close to the school bell, but you still can hear them. Or when you hear the dog barking, okay, dog barking in the part where you can hear them because sound can travel in all direction, even though you are at different location from the source of the sound. So this one recorder from blowing, okay. Why you can hear the sound outside from the music room? Because sound can travel in all direction. Good job. Okay, last question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Nuzul, can Nuzul turn
Okay,
on the
cakap about
microphone?
the questions.
Nuzul, can Nuzul turn on the microphone, Nuzul? Nuzul. Yesterday teacher already called Nuzul, but Nuzul didn't turn on the microphone as well yesterday. Yes, Faris?
I want to answer the
Okay, before you answer, can you tell teacher the picture is about what first?
Awak tu
Ha.
ibu tu tengah
Tengah?
saya apa tu tengah
Tengah
kering
kain.
baju.
Okay, keringkan baju. Alright, Faris, read the question A.
Okay.
Okay.
The form of energy that dries out the laundry on the clothes line.
Okay, so what form of energy?
Solar energy
Solar energy, correct? Solar energy from what?
from sun.
From the sun. Well done. Solar energy. Solar energy. Okay. So, teacher hope you guys already answer this question. Okay, solar energy.
and finish.
Okay, state the source of energy that produce the energy stated. Yes?
Teacher,
Yes.
my answer is solar energy is energy from the sun.
Your answer is correct. Solar energy is the energy from the sun. But the question is asking you form of energy. So solar energy correct. If you answer solar energy from the sun, also accepted. Okay. So teacher will accept your answer as well. Okay, correct. As long as you have the word solar energy. Okay, next one. B, where is the source of solar energy? Where do we get our solar energy from?
Sun.
From the
Sun.
From sun. So you write sun. This one because 1 mark, okay, you have 1 mark only, so you can write sun. You don't have to explain further, just write sun. Okay. Is the form of energy that dries up the laundry renewable? Okay, now solar energy, renewable or non-renewable?
Renewable.
Renewable. Okay. Why we say that it's renewable?
Because sun is continuously and always available.
Okay, yes. Right. So, Zafif, can you share teacher your answer? Teacher will write here.
My answer is yes.
Yes.
My
Yes.
answer is also yes.
Yes, okay. Because what? Why you say that it's renewable? Because it's always?
No, teacher. The because answer it's at number 2.
Always available.
You answer renewable energy only. Okay, teacher
Yeah,
will
I
say.
only answer yes. Is it
Okay,
okay?
yes only. Yes, can?
Okay.
Can? Because you already answer what question asked you. Can, no problem. Okay. Allah. Okay. Alright. Now question number 2 asks you to explain. Okay, why? Why you said that it's renewable?
Because it's continuously and always available.
Because it is
Because it is continuously and always available.
and always
Teacher,
available.
saya punya jawapan macam ni. Because
Okay.
energy is always available.
Available. Okay, correct. Available. Can be.
I only answered because
Uh-huh.
it's continuously and always available.
Can. Okay, so alright. So this is the answer because it's asking you why you say.
Teacher, it's too small. I can't see it. It's too small.
Are you copying my answer? Teacher asked you to write
But
your
I need
own
to
answer.
It's so small.
Teacher asked you to write your own answer, then check. I didn't ask
Teacher,
you to
boleh tak
copy.
jawab macam ni? Solar energy is a renewable energy.
Untuk number 1 or number 2, Akil? Number 1?
Number 2. Number 2.
Jawapan Akil, your answer is suitable for number 1. Number 2, you have to explain why. Because the question asks you to explain your answer. Why, Akil, you say solar energy is the renewable? Why? Can you tell teacher why solar energy is the renewable?
Because it is continuous and always available.
So explanation you have to write that, okay? So that one you have.
My answer is
Uh-huh.
because it is always can be generated continuously and always available.
Correct. As long as you have the word continuously, okay, always available, can be replaced, all accepted. As long as it bring the meaning that it's always there. So teacher will accept your answer. Okay, suggest one alternative way to dry laundry on the rainy days. How do we dry the laundry on rainy days?
Dryer machine.
Dryer machine, okay. Another answer?
My answer for
Teacher.
is use the clothes dryer machine.
Okay, correct. Yes, Amir?
Akif is spamming.
Akif is spamming. Akif Razin, can you give teacher another answer how you dry a wet clothes on rainy days, Akif Razin? You can do the other thing, but when teacher asks you to do something, answer my question. When I ask you to answer my question. Astaghfirullahalazim. Akif Razin.
Mak dia tengah vacuum.
Microphone off. Microphone off. Now. Off now. In my science class, buat benda yang teacher suruh buat. Yang I tak suruh buat, tak payah nak ngada-ngada buat. Yes? Yes, who click the raise hand button? You can do the other things. You can type in the chat box. You can chit chat. But teacher, when I ask you question, make sure you can answer. Okay? Ni you do the other things when teacher ask question. I don't know. You don't remember? If you want to excel, make sure you excel in everything you do. Not just do the useless stuff. But the actual important stuff you didn't know how to do. Okay? So, solar energy, if you got your answer right, just tick your question. Today, teacher want to see full answer. Okay, when you submit to teacher, if you already submit paper 1 yesterday, You don't have to submit anymore. Paper 1, just submit paper 2. If you haven't submit both, submit all today. Paper 1 and paper 2 if you haven't. Okay, so I hope I give my instruction clear. So we have around 4 more minutes. This one is time for you to submit your paper to teacher in Seesaw now. If you don't have phone to take photo of your book or whatnot, you can wait for your parents to finish up their work. Then you can send the picture later. I give you time.
Teacher, you need to send the new one because I want to send the study one.
Add activity yesterday, just add response again. Add response again. One student can send more than one answer in Seesaw.
Oh, okay.
Teacher,
Okay.
I already sent the paper 1 and paper 2.
Okay. All right. So for those who already sent, good job. Later teacher check. Okay. After Tafi's class, good, because after this teacher have Tafi's class right away. Allah Rabbi. Then teacher will check after Tafi's class. But you send first to teacher, and for those who have problem with your phone to take photo or anything that you have.
After Tafi's class?
Yeah, teacher will check after Tafi's class. So if you didn't have time to take picture and send now, teacher will give you time until 12 p.m. tomorrow. Can we do that? Until 12 p.m. tomorrow, okay?
We can
So,
do that.
okay. So because I'm working tomorrow, so teacher will check your work tomorrow. But if you can send by today, please send by today so that teacher can check early, okay? All right. So are you guys okay? Can you understand about what we are discussing today? Are you okay? Yes?
Yes.
Can understand?
Okay.
Okay, all right. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Okay, so for Surah Wal-As today, Surah Wal-As, can teacher have Amakalish today? Amakalish? Amakalish?
Semua di
Amak Surah Wal-As? Okay, that's all Yasin.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Wal-As. Amak, correct. Wal-As.
Wal-as. Innal insana lafi khusr. Innal ladzina amanu wa amilus solihati wa tawasaw bil haq wa tawasaw bil sabr.
Amin. Okay, so thank you everyone. I deeply appreciate your
Thank you,
effort to
teacher.
join class today.
Bye
Bye-bye.
teacher. Assalamualaikum.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye,
Assalamualaikum. Bye.
Bye-bye. Waalaikumsalam.
Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Bye-bye. Okay, you can